Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So summer is upon us and it's time to start doing yard work, and a great garden hose is a must. So this was sent over by a company called Palrory. This is the box it comes in. It's gonna come with everything you possibly could need. So first off, you're gonna get a quick start tip guide of just basically how to set up your hose. Pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna get a nice bag here with a ton of extra rubber washers. If you absolutely leave your hose out and they happen to dry up or whatnot in the sun, you got plenty of spares, which is great. Now they also include a little roll of Teflon tape, so if you do have any leaking around the hose spigot, you can put this on here and that will help, which is just a nice little feature. Now it does include a nice little hose attachment here. This is made out of like a nice hard plastic. It has the big handle here to turn it on and off and also adjust the water volume. It does have one of the rubber gaskets in there. And then this has 10 different spray settings. So you're gonna have plenty of spray options. Simply just turn the front, and as you hear, it clicks. That's just gonna cycle through all the different spray options that you have. There's a lot of ones to explore. But the main thing is the hose itself. So another thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get this nice little carrying handle, but this is also how you kind of store your hose here. So you can slide this over your spigot, which goes kind of through this angle part. It does have a nice little hook here, so if you do want to carry it from one location to another, you can use it. It's made out of hard plastic. Obviously, you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but then here is the hose itself. Now, this is a lightweight hose, which is great. It, however, is not an expandable hose, so you don't have to worry about it shrinking and getting all weird when you're trying to roll it up. The particular hose right here is 50 feet long, which is absolutely great. It's a great long distance. Now, instead of like your traditional PVC or rubber hoses, this one I've noticed doesn't get kinks in it as easily, and it doesn't twist up as easily. As once water goes through it, it has a tendency to straighten itself up, and it's really hard to kink. Now, you know, maybe you can, if you really get in and spend time to twist it, you may get one, but overall, just naturally, it flows really, really well. Now, another thing I like about this is, as you can see here at the end pieces on both sides, the spies that hook up to basically your spigot, which is this one here, all the end connects are all made out of a nice metal. It does have a quick on-off here on the end. So depending on whatever you're using, if you're utilizing a spray, you may not need that, but if you're using just a straight up hose, you don't have to run all the way back to the faucet. You simply can have this closed and open, which is just a nice feature. You don't have this thing just dumping water everywhere. And then it has these nice long little plastic pieces, which just helps with the connection point here. The connection point is also made out of metal, so it just is a lot stronger. You don't have to worry about this breaking. Now, as far as the hose material itself, it is made out of a 5-layer inner tube that can handle pressure up to 12 bars. That's kind of its max. However, it's not gonna burst until I think it hits like 36 bars. So it's really, really tough, which is great. And it does have a nice little fabric coating here on the outside, which also makes it nice because it doesn't get like as hot as kind of like those black tube kind of rubber ones. It's just a nice little feature, but it's also a nice tough fabric, doesn't tear or rip really easy or anything like that. And then once again, on the side that connects to the spigot, it's all made out of metal parts, plastic peaks, and then you have the washer in there, and you can always swap them out if you need to get the different size washer, or if this ever gets kind of dried out and it needs to be replaced. But overall, they give you everything you possibly need. And like I said, it's lightweight, easy to use, easy to carry around. If you are in the market and you're looking for a great hose, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.